What makes a hero? Is it the sword, the guns, the power, brevity and courage, or is it the way they perish? There are things about their past that remains a secret, and Emilio Aguinaldo's house holds as much secrets as our history holds.
Hi guys! We are the Bibes crew, and we are in Emilio Aguinaldo's shrine to discover
and revisit the hidden facts of his house and his life. Emilio Aguinaldo had a bowling alley, which is now turned into a gallery.
Ayan yung manunumpa nila. Bali, hindi siya makadalo dahil naglaban sila sa giri. Yung start ng revolusyon ng mga kilalang labanan sa Cavite, August 31, 1896. Ito naman yung manumpa sila bilang Pangulo. Problema, bomb shelter. Yan yung tunnel na nag-uugnay sa simbahan ng Cavite.
What you can see here is the bomb shelter under Aguinaldo's abode. They had to close it down due to the maintenance problems and huge amount of visitors. It is said to be the secret passage that would lead to the Cavite Church. The Museo ni Emilio Aguinaldo's collection covers a variety of museum objects.
Ito yung lunchbox niya. Ito yung pinaka-chairs niya. Nakukonvert niya sa table ko pag kumakain siya. Kaya mayroong apat niya.
The ground level of the house is a permanent exhibit on the role of Cavite during the Revolution. It presents the life of the general, Cavite during the Spanish colonial period, and the revolution against Spain until the proclamation of independence on June 12, 1898. It also covers the aftermath of the revolution until the Philippines War against the United States. The second level is the living space of the house. Similar to the tradition of bahay na bato structure of the 19th century, the living room, the bedrooms, dining area, and kitchen can all be found in this level.
The famous balcony where Emilio Aguinaldo first unfurled the Philippine flag never actually existed, was originally window and never was a balcony.
These rooms house 19th century and early 20th century furniture and details of the Art Nouveau and Art Deco period of the past. Notable are the mesa altar, large dining table, atsay bed, and secret compartments oblivious to the regular guests.
Butikin o medicine cabinet. Mga ginamit nila ng gamot yan ng araw. 13 days bumalik siya para operahan ulit. Ito yung gasang naiwan. Ito. Ito yung appendicitis. Hindi niya kinamatayan na. Old age siya rin. Hindi kinamatayan niya. 95 years old. Ang nag-design ng bahay siya, Ginalo. Bago kayo bumaba, ito yung kusina. Ito servant's quarter, police quarter. Talaga yun. Nung time niya Aguinaldo, wala pa silang refrigerator, icebox. Nag-import siya ng dry ice sa Boston, isang barko. Nilalagay nila dito parang kasama na yung pagkain nila. Dahil na may umakyat na kalaban, hindi makikita. Ang bubuksan tong drawer. Lalabas ngayon si Aguinaldo dyan sa pinto niya. Galing sa kwarto niya. Ito yung mga grupo ni Aguinaldo ng panahon ng revolusyon. Bali dito sila nag-meeting. Pagkatapos mag-meeting, doon sila kakain. Kaya doon mapa ng Pilipinas.
He had an indoor pool, and it was located in that part of the house, and is accessible through his bedroom.
At first glance, the house may seem small and it only looks like it has 2 floors, but in reality, it has 7.
Filipino leader Emilio Aguinaldo led his country to achieve Philippine independence, fighting off the Spaniards and the Americans. However, he died of a heart attack at the Veterans Memorial Hospital at the age of 94 on February 6, 1964. His private land and mansion, which he had donated per year, continued to serve as a shrine to both the revolution of the Philippine independence and the revolutionary himself.
Aguinaldo had the sword, the guns, the power, the love for nation. Although his death wasn't a typical heroic death, he lived a long life to witness the changes brought by the forces he led. But many still questions Aguinaldo's heroic status. I guess we'll never really know for what became of Myong, just that he's a part of our history and will always be. Remember though that at a time when waving the flag was illegal under American occupation, he turned his house into a shrine for the flag and the Philippine independence.